How's it going, everyone? Nick Salzman here, coming to you today. Talk to you a little bit about a method called effective dowsing. You've seen it before, where we've used a color chart, something that helps determine our level of truth based on what color that it goes to. But a lot of people don't know that you can actually use your own hand as a chart when you don't have a piece of paper or anything else around. Now, this is just for effective dowsing that I'm showing you, but you can easily do this for percentages, numbers on your hands, any of that kind of stuff. Okay, so you can use your fingers as digits. If you think of 100%, use each finger as 20%, so you have your 0 all the way up to 100%. Okay, so either way, what we're going to show today is effective dowsing with a hand chart. Okay, basically, this approach, if you've seen my other video before, this approach is about learning how to decipher the level of truth based on your statements. One of the first common things that we do with dowsing or pendulum healing is we learn our yes and no responses, which usually a swing or a sway or even a spin sometimes with the pendulum. So we can do this, but one way that we can decide how much truth is within our yes and no response lies in effective dowsing. Now, if you're someone that has a lot of emotions running through the body and you get really excited, or really depressed, really mad, or really anxious, sometimes these emotions can really throw off our accuracy between our yes and no questions. Okay, this is why some people lose faith in dowsing, is because maybe they'll get a yes response and then all of a sudden the same thing they'll get a no response on, and so they get these inaccuracies and it really just kind of takes away their confidence from dowsing. So if this sounds like you out there, pay attention. This was a game changer for me. Okay, so we can use any pendulum for this. Me, I have this little brass furba that I'm going to use real quick for me. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm going to use it to help point. As you can see here, if we're swinging this over our hand, for me, I hold the pendulum with my right hand, so my left hand is the one that goes down. If you hold the pendulum with your left hand, then you're probably going to be like this with your right hand. Okay, so I'm going to read my left hand with the pendulum. And so anytime I make a statement, okay, I'm not asking a question. I'm not asking a yes or no question. I'm making a statement, and then I'm seeing where the pendulum swings for that level of truth. So if it lands right here in the middle, this is your 100%. This is yes, this is truth. If it lands towards the pinky or the thumb, this is your no. Okay. But on these two fingers, this is where it's the difference. If it lands a little bit on the left side of the middle finger, okay, right here on the ring finger, it means we have to add something to our statement to make it 100% truthful. If it lands over here on like our pointer finger to the right of the middle, then what that means is we have to remove something within our statement to make it 100% truthful. Okay, so though I can make this really easy. Okay, now that we see the description, I'm just going to move this out of the way so you can see how the hand falls on this. Okay, so once again, middle finger, that's my yes. This, I need to add something to make true. This, I need to remove something to make true. And then these guys right here, these are my no's. Okay, so we can easily try this. You can say universal knowledge. Everybody watching this video is very familiar with this process. Okay, as you can see, it swings over my ring finger more. It's kind of hard to get on this video, but either way, we can change the statement. Okay, let me see if I can shorten it so you can see it a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to say universal knowledge. Not everyone in this video is familiar with this process. Okay, you can see it swings right over my middle finger. Okay, I can say universal knowledge. Nobody on this video is familiar with this process. Okay, so I got to remove something to make that true. So if I just said in general, universal knowledge, there are some watching this video that they're familiar with this process. Okay, that statement is 100% truth. Now you can use this with just about anything out there. Okay, whether you're wanting to buy a car, this car will serve my family's highest good health and well-being. Put it on there, see where it swings. This house will be the next place that I'm going to live in, that it's going to serve me and my family the best. Serve it on there, it swings. You can use this for everything. The next route that I drive, if I go this way to work, this will be the fastest. If I go this way, there will be no construction. See what it looks like, okay? The possibilities are endless, but just know that at the end of the day, if you like searching percentages and you like having yes or no answers, you might look into this. Effective dowsing is great. It really helps build confidence. And this is something that when we use our hand, we don't have to carry a chart with us anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave me any questions you guys have at the bottom. I'd be happy to answer to you. Please like, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me get this information out there so we can all help each other out and keep growing in every way possible, helping each other get to our destination. Okay, much love to you guys. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and thank you for watching this video.